So welcome. My name is Rob Barron. I'm here in my little project studio, Concrete Cellar, and today I'm going to look at my Ibanez Artcore Hollow-body guitar. It's an AG86 and nice hollow body. It's got interesting woods on it. Plays reasonably fine. It's Chinese made, and the original pickups that came with it I think were fairly weak spotted the guitar. Very quickly after I had it, I realized that I needed to upgrade those, and so I put in a Seymour Duncan P-rail, which is kind of a P90 pickup and a rail pickup in one. You can operate in just the single coil P90 mode, or you can use it in the humbucking mode, and it's got a lot hotter output than the original stock pickups that came with this guitar. So in my efforts to sort of make this rather inexpensive guitar into a more professional guitar, that's how I've been playing this for years, with the front pickup modified. And I think it's time now to look at the bridge pickup and do an upgrade on it. And I was recently shopping for some Gretsch guitars, and I noticed that the high-end Gretsch guitars often used TVJones Filtertrons. So I thought that would be an interesting option for me for this particular guitar on the bridge position. So I bought a TVJones Classic Plus for bridge position, and then bought the adapter plate to go from sort of the humbucking hole mounts to the Filtertron style pickup. And we're going to upgrade that, put that in there. I've also bought some pots and some orange drop capacitors to sort of upgrade the electronics to sort of more professional level electronics, and we're going to see if that's going to make a difference. Now, to kind of show you what I'm up against here, let me just show you what these humbucking, the front Seymour Duncan P-rail humbucking sounds like. This is how I've been playing this on stage for years. So that's the upgrade. The original pickup, bridge pickup, sounds like this. So you'll notice a lot more output and full tones, full range kind of sounds to the humbucking, and a rather weak and wimpy original pickup. So my hopes is that with the TVJones replacement, we can maybe improve the tone of that original bridge pickup and match it a little bit better, and give me quite a range of sounds that would be available on this guitar with that upgrade. So I'm going to head into the shop and do that change up, and we're going to take a listen and see how, if any, improvement is made to this guitar. Okay, we're here back a day later. I didn't really change any of the settings on anything, so we can do a comparison of these pickups. The job was a little more intricate than I first anticipated. I knew that I was going to replace the pickup, a couple pots, and then the filter capacitors and the tone controls, and I had done that, and I expected to use the existing wires that were in the guitar. Now, this guitar being a rather inexpensive guitar, they didn't waste any money at all on getting quality wires in the internal wiring here, and especially on the grounds. And when I was fishing the wires and the controls back in after wiring it up, the existing wiring, the grounds were just constantly breaking. There was at least 6 different existing ground shielded wires that broke off during the install. I had to replace a lot of the wiring, but it's nice and stable now. The other one is that the TVJones Classic Plus pickup, when it was shipped, was out of phase with the Seymour Duncan's original wiring situation. So I had to change the phase of that. But we're ready to give her a try now. Now, to remember where we were, the front pickup is a Seymour Duncan P-rail. Right now, I've got it in humbucking position. Which is, it's got a lot of output. It's got a lot of darker tones to it. The neat thing about the P-rail pickup is that it's kind of two pickups in one, and you can pull out the P90 with this switch. So then it's a single coil P90 sound. Which is a lot, clearer and thinner than the humbucking position. But now, the new pickup that we've installed, this TVJones Classic Filtertron, is going to give it a very different sound. It's also in the bridge position, so it's going to be a lot brighter. But it's not a humbucking style, but it is a humbucking, but it's a different style of humbucking pickup. And let's give that a try here. You'll hear that I've got a little bit of a slapback echo on there. That's because I was playing with this this bridge pickup here, and of course it's very useful to those rockabilly tones. So I think that's where this TVJones Filtertron pickup really shines. A lot of the rockabilly players use them, and it has those kinds of tones. So what I've done with this guitar, though, this hollow body, is I've given it everything from the thicker jazz kind of tones right to that rockabilly thing. So that's cool. But what I was unable to do before with this Seymour Duncan and the stock pickup was operate it in the center position, because there was just too much different between the Seymour Duncan and the stock pickup. Now with a higher output, a little more present pickup in the bridge, the center position actually is quite pleasing. And becomes very useful. So I think overall I'll be quite pleased. I'll have to play a lot with the guitar and see how it works, but and it's a bit of a Frankenstein, but I think I'm going to be very pleased with this TVJones Classic Plus upgrade to the bridge position. Thanks for watching, and take care.